Let me show you a balcony stateroom on Carnival Encounter. Now this ship was actually built for Princess, so the first thing we noticed when we walked in was that Princess walk-in robe. It gives you so much space, don't need to worry about putting bags under the bed, even though you can fit some small ones under there. The walk-in robe also has this little cupboard as well, which is where the safe is, and plenty of shelves for your storage. Then we'll head into the bathroom. Now, it's not a huge bathroom, granted. It is the old shower curtain style, so no glass door on the shower here, but plenty of space for a single person. It is a bit of a squeeze if you're kind of jumping and jiving between you and your travel partner. A side note about this stateroom, it was actually the perfect location for us, so I would definitely stay in this room again if I were to go on Carnival Encounter again. Would recommend. The main room has a pretty basic layout. There's no couch or anything like there is on other Carnival ships, but we've got the 2/1 bed. We've got the 2 bedside tables, desk there, and also the little shelf, which is where they put your water, and it has the fridge underneath with the flat screen TV above. I do like that they actually label the pricing on things that aren't included. I found on another cruise line, they had the water bottles there, and we really didn't know whether or not they were included because it didn't have a price on it. So we just didn't touch them. But also the room service is completely extra charge. There are no complimentary items on here, not even the breakfast. They do also supply your beach towels in the room as well, so you can just get those replaced once they are wet. You don't have to keep them on your room. Stepping out onto the balcony, it is a decent size with the adjustable chairs, which is great. One of them actually had a higher back, which really suited my taller husband, and I had the wee chair there with the little table that we could put our drinks on when we sat out on the balcony. Being a ship that's based in Australia all year round, it does have 2 Australian ports, and it also has the original plugs on the wall there. But that's pretty much the crux of it. If you do have any questions about the room itself, let me know.